Hello everyone, today I want to talk about something that we all love, nature. Nature is all around us, from the trees in our gardens to the mountains and oceans. It's a beautiful and amazing thing. Nature is important for many reasons. First, it's a source of beauty and inspiration. We can find peace and tranquility in nature. Second, nature is essential for our health and well-being. Spending time in nature can reduce stress and improve our mood. Third, nature is home to many different kinds of plants and animals. We need to protect nature so that these creatures can continue to thrive. There are many things we can do to protect nature. We can reduce our carbon footprint by driving less, or using less energy and recycling. We can also support organizations that are working to protect the environment. It's important to appreciate the beauty of nature. We can do this by spending time outdoors, taking photos of nature, and learning about different plants and animals. So let's remember to appreciate and protect nature. It's a precious gift that we should cherish. Thank you.